Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Capabilities with Clayton, brought to you by Asset Technologies. We got two more Novar capabilities we're happy to introduce to you guys. The first is this UBM-6438. It's an input-output board. Works with the XiM series, also the ES1 controls. The second one is the XiO.RIM. This is actually a replacement for the current Novar rack input module that's out there. The cool thing about this guy is through dip switch manipulation, you can actually have this be analog or digital inputs or outputs. So it'll actually cover the full range of the the rack input module that's previously out there. We do have repair capabilities for this. So if you have a unit that is outside of the warranty and you need support, we're happy to help you. The XiO.RIM is still currently being sold by Honeywell Novar. And if you have a unit that's inside of the warranty, please reach out to them, as they'll be the ones to help you get a new unit. So if you find yourself in need of either the UBM-6438 or the XiO.RIM, please give us a call here at our office or hit us up at the website assettechnologies.us.